Earlier this year, Samsung surprised its Galaxy S enthusiasts by deviating from its usual two-chipset approach for the Galaxy S23 series. Instead, the flagship trio was universally equipped with a Qualcomm chip, sidelining the Exynos variant. This change, however, was marked as temporary. Reports indicate the return of the Exynos chip to the Galaxy S lineup next year, albeit with certain modifications. A recent rumor suggests an exclusive application of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset worldwide, solely powering the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The rest of the 2024 lineup won't follow this exclusive path, except for the Ultra model, as per sources like @tech_rev. In the first half of 2023, the Galaxy S23 Ultra emerged as Samsung's best-selling flagship, a global leader among Android phones, a success potentially attributed to its Snapdragon exclusivity. Yet, even though the base and Plus models shared this chipset advantage, they didn't achieve comparable rankings. It appears that fans were particularly drawn to the Ultra model. However, by committing to a Snapdragon-exclusive strategy for the 2023 flagship phones, Samsung might have cornered itself, given that many fans have a preference for Snapdragon over Exynos. Returning to the traditional approach of offering both Exynos and Snapdragon chips across the flagship series could prove challenging. The emerging theory is that the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will adopt the unrevealed Exynos 2400 SoC in specific markets and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in others. Conversely, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon chip globally to cater to enthusiasts. Examining the chips themselves, the Exynos 2400 chip shows promise on paper, benefiting from an extended development timeline. It's anticipated to feature 10 CPU cores and double the GPU cores of the Exynos 2200. In comparison, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy comprises 8 CPU cores, with some cores operating at higher clock speeds than the standard version of the chip. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.